What's up and welcome back to Trial and Error. Hopefully you caught those last few videos. This time I wanted to play a little more with some leading lines, some patterns, maybe some reflective surfaces. And this building should be great for that. I did struggle a little bit, but we'll see that. Let's just go check it out. The AT&T Performing Arts Center, located in the Dallas Arts District, it holds performances of opera, musical theater, classic theater, and ballet. 3 architectural firms helped design different portions of the building: Foster & Partners, Office of Metropolitan Architecture, and REX. After spending about an hour out there trying to get all these different angles and different patterns and leading lines and stuff, I'm finally back in the office, going through, selecting the images that I like, and opening everything up in Lightroom. Now I'm in Lightroom, just going through and getting my cropping done and basic adjustments. When it comes to photo editing, there's many ways of doing it. Some are quicker than others, some take a lot longer than others. So what I'm doing here is running a batch on an action to kind of get me to a start. I don't necessarily like everything that this action does to this image, so you'll see here I'll delete the layers of the things I didn't like. So here I make a levels adjustment and I'm just brushing in what I wanted to change into the image. I really like using the spot healing brush because it can often help clear up blemishes really easily. But when that doesn't work, my default is going to the clone tool. As you can see here, I started off with the spot healing brush. It wasn't really giving me the results I wanted, so I had to switch tools. I don't know that this was even necessary for this photo, but here's the process. Now let's take a look at these final images. Alright, vibe check. What'd you think? I might have done some unnecessary edits to those, but sometimes you just don't know. So let me know what you think of these images, please. Comments. Good, bad, all of it. I'll take it. Alright, so one thing that I haven't done is talk about the errors that I've been making when I'm shooting these photos. And that's my fault. I should have done that from the get-go. Still learning. Number one is not changing my aperture. I'm so used to shooting portrait photography that I typically try to let in as much light as I can. You know, I want that depth of field change where someone's in focus and the background kind of blurs off. And typically you don't want that when shooting buildings, and so that was my biggest error. And then 2, I didn't take a tripod with me, so I wasn't able to kind of set the camera down, get it steady, and then just kind of refocus images, and then later on do it in post where I can stack focus everything. So I have one more video coming your way on architecture, but let me know if you want me to continue that, if you want me to show you more of the city, and I can go and find more buildings, find other ways to shoot stuff, maybe show a little more behind the scenes. I really like to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Like something's in my eye. What's up? Welcome back to Trial and Error. Hopefully you've seen the last few videos. Stop. Stop it. Found a building. Stop barking!